Hello Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Capricorn. Pauna, mensahe po ninyo ay the moon energy. Ayan, this is the angel of dreams, no? Going to help you dito na maalala ninyo kung ano man yung mga mensahe na padala sa inyo ng universe through your dreams. Make sure then, when you wake up the next morning, kung ano man yung mga elemento ng inyong panaginip na natatandaan ninyo paggising ninyo, please write them down on paper. At saka, make time, to find out kung ano yung symbolism ng mga elements na yon, because those are the messages for you, no? Ng divine universe. Those are guidance para sa'yo. Page of Pentacles, ang swerte ninyo sa ngayon, Maraming swerte ang dadating kasi maraming balita, maraming mga offers siguro ang dadating sa inyo rito that is related to your money, career, and finances. So, siswertehin kayo rito kung meron kayong kunyari, ina-applyan na scholarship grant, ina-applyan na loans, ina-applyan na trabaho, meron kayong ginagawa or pinagpaplanuhang bagong career path. So, maybe you are getting ready for that. And habang naghahanda kayo, meron kayong mga oportunidad, na dadating, na magsusupport sa inyo para dyan. So, maswerte kayo sa ngayon, Capricorn. Hanged Man, ayan. So, maybe, ito na yung mga hinihintay ninyo, Maaaring ito na yung mga swerte ninyo rito sa Page of Pentacles energy. Maybe that is what you've been waiting for, Kasi this is a waiting energy, patience, You've been very patient siguro sa pag-aantay, ng pagkakataon na yan. Kaya, masaya, So, good luck sa'yo. What else? We have Queen of Pentacles. Ayan. So, this is very abundant and prosperous energy si Queen of Pentacles, And maaaring meron talagang mga financial blessings na paparating, financial opportunities na paparating that will eventually give you an opportunity na ma-experience ninyo yung prosperity and abundance, sa buhay ninyo. At that is going to bring forth financial comfort sa inyo. Magiging komportable ang inyong pamumuhay. Magiging maganda ang takbo ng inyong kaperahan. Kasi kahit pa paano, makakaluwag-luwag na kayo, So, good luck sa'yo. So, what else? We have stepped into the spotlight. Ayan. So, you have a message that the world needs to hear. It's time to share your wisdom. Okay? Siguro, Capricorn, you are an influencer. Maaring isa kang motivational speaker. Maaring isa kang spiritual guide, spiritual teacher, counselor. Maaring ganun. So, you have so much, to share, wisdom, learnings in life ninyo, mga lessons, mga mensahe, that can motivate, that can encourage people. So, maaring yon ang trabaho ninyo sa ngayon. Maaring yon ang gagawin ninyo dahil yun ang purpose ninyo at this time. Recognize the signs from above, okay? Angels are sending you messages now, but you're too distracted to notice, okay? So, stay alert and open to divine guidance. Ayan. So, pinapadalhan daw kayo ng divine guidance, through your angels. Okay? So, nagpapadala mga angels sa iyo ng mga signs siguro, symbols, synchronicities, omens siguro, Kaya, be aware, Be aware. Kasi, ma-figure out din nyo naman, na yung mga signs, symbols, and synchronicities na yan are meant for you kasi it will catch your attention. Ano man ang inyong ginagawa, kukulitin ka niyan hanggang sa mapansin mo siya. So, it could be anything. Maaaring meron kayong makitang coin, or coin sa mga odd places, Makakita kayo ng feathers, makakita kayo ng butterflies, or any kind of animals, birds, mga ganon. Or baka, repeating numbers. Those are angel numbers. Mga 444, 333-222, no? Those are angel numbers. So, maaari yun ang mga makita ninyo, no? So, pag nakakita kayo ng mga signs, symbols, synchronicities na yan, and if you don't know kung anong ibig sabihin nun, easy lang, Capricorn, i-google po ninyo yan. Marami na sa Google na mga articles, no, ang nag-explain ng mga meanings, no, ng mga symbolism, ng mga signs na yan na binibigay sa inyo ng universe. The way forward is open. Ayan. So, you are up for change. You are up for growth. You are up for expansion, for thriving, for evolving. Okay? There are a lot of possibilities and opportunities up there. At gagabayan kayo. No? Yung mga to, that is going to guide you kung saan ninyo ito mahahanap, kung saan ninyo ito mai-encounter. Okay? Kaya, pay attention. No? Pay attention to the messages that you are receiving from the divine. We have pride. Ayan. I love myself and I see myself in everyone. Ayan. So, siguro, maybe may mga accomplishments kayo, achievements kayo, and maybe you are going to be very proud of yourself. Now, you're going to take pride of who you have become, of what you have accomplished. Relationships, maaaring you are making new friends sa ngayon. Maaaring you are entering a new love and romantic relationship, no? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon, but maybe merong mga sisimulan kayong mga bagong build, no, na relationship sa ngayon. Depende sa, it could be in any category. Maaaring bagong kaibigan, bagong love and romantic relationship ito, maaaring business partnership, yung ganun ba. Acceptance, I am learning to accept the things that I cannot change. Napakaganda. Napaka-mature, no? Emotionally matured ang iba talaga sa inyo rito, Capricorn, that you are able to have that radical acceptance, no? Na may mga bagay talaga na hindi ninyo kontrolado. There are so many things that are beyond your control. Kaya, imbes na kontrahin ninyo, imbes na pigilan ninyo, imbes na i-avoid ninyo, you are just going to embrace it. You are just going to accept na sadyang ganun talaga ang buhay. Kailangan na lang nating tanggapin. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.